What's up, TeamFullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to do a hair mask treatment. So this is what I kind of put water on my hair so that my hair can be a little bit soft. So this is what my hair is looking like. This is my edges. As you guys can see, my edges has grown in. Do you guys remember when I told you guys I'm using my DIY oils that I make? I have two different type of oil. This is my Percocet oil. This is my black pepper hair oil. As you guys can see, I'm using it, but I've been using the black pepper hair oil on my edges most of the time, and as you guys can see, my edges is growing. My edges is really growing. So you guys can see how my edges has thickened up, and I'm still using it. So my hair has been really growing. This is what my hair looks like right now. And honestly speaking, I was a little bit tempted to kind of relax my hair again, because I don't know, I was just tired of the way my hair was looking. I miss doing my slick back. You guys know I always like to do slick back, and it's so hard to do slick back on the natural hair, except when your natural hair is a little bit longer. So yeah, so that's the reason why I wanted to do. I have relaxer at home. I have this relaxer standing here. So, and I still have quite a lot inside. So I don't know, maybe one of these days I will just relax it. No, it's hair. I don't have a big deal. I just like to experiment. I experiment with my oils, and I experience on my kids' hair. My daughter, I experience a lot with my oils on my daughter's hair, and her hair is amazing. It's looking really, really good. So yeah, and I also use this hair mask on her hair. This is the hair mask. I use this on her hair, and I really love the way the mask look on her hair. I love it. It has an avocado oil, olive oil. It's really, really nice. So this is the oil. Should I bring it closer? This is the oil, and it has some really, I picked this oil at the TK Maxx. I think for €5 I picked this, and I just picked it up, and I really wanted to try it. I picked two different type of hair mask. This one I haven't. This one is the coconut oil. Coconut deep hydrating mask. I picked this one also, but I haven't give this a try. So you guys can see it's still closed. I picked this up for €5. Yeah, €6 by the TK Maxx. I picked this one, and I also picked this one. But I use this on my daughter's hair, and I really love the result it gave. And I have a little bit in, so I want to come and also put it on my own hair, give it a try on my own hair. I want to come and give it a try, and it has like this minty smell. It's like when you put it on the scalp. My daughter said that the thing was like not burning, but like this sensation on the hair. She was like, "Mama, it cribbles, you know, like it cribbles, like it has this sensation in the head." And so, and she was like, she liked it. She was like, "Yeah, it's cribbles. It cribbles. I don't know what's cribbled in." Like it's a little bit like itchy, yeah, because it's like giving this sensation. So I wanted to try it on my own hair. Hopefully I'll be going to the TK Maxx one of these days. I hope I can find this one again, because I really loved it. So I wanted to come and do some deep hair mask on my own hair. So I'm just going to take the mask, and I'm just going to, because my hair is short, so I'm just going to rub it like you are doing a relaxer. And just rub it on the hair like this. My hair is so short. I really love that my edges is growing. This is the reason why I don't want to like braid my hair right now. That I really wanted to braid my hair or do some style, but I don't want to do anything right now that will make my edges to be break again, because you guys know when you do braid, it puts pressure on your edges, and it just end up breaking. So that's the reason why I've been wearing a lot of wigs. So if you guys are following me on my Instagram, and on my beauty channel, which is TeamFullest Beauty. Sometimes I do hair review, I do unboxing on the hair on this channel, but then when I like install the hair, how the hair looks on me, it's always on my beauty channel. So if you guys want to see pictures of how the hair always look on me when I put it on, I would advise you to follow me on my beauty channel, which is TeamFullest Beauty. I will try to leave the link in the comment box. I'll also leave it for you guys in the description box. I'll pin it for you guys in the comment box. Go there and check it out. Some of the wigs are really nice, even though I don't wear all of them all the time, but sometimes I do. Like this curly bob wig that I picked up on AliExpress a while ago. I did an unboxing on this channel, and I've been wearing this wig, and I think I put it on a couple of times, and I got a lot of people asking me, can you send me the link, send me the link, send me the link. And it's really nice, so I really love it. So sometimes I just put it, sometimes I don't. So I really want to focus on make sure that all of my hair is coated with this hair mask like this, and then I make sure I massage my hair. Make sure you massage, so that when you open your hair like this, there's hair mask everywhere like this. So that's the reason. I don't have a lot more in. It's almost finished, but I'm going. It's almost finished. There you go. It's going to put it. Massage. I love the smell. It smells really nice. So now that I have massaged this on my head, it was the time now. I'm gonna leave it in for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and then I'm going to take a shower, and then I'm going to use my moisturizer to moisturize my hair, because one of these days, I think tomorrow or next tomorrow, I'm going to be putting a wig cap on. So I really like to give my hair some treatment, some hair mask or deep conditioner treatment, or sometimes I do like a hot oil treatment. I do these things, and then I moisturize my hair, take good care of my hair, and then I put a wig on. I do like the full wig where I put the cap all the way. I try to avoid my edges all the way here, and then I put the wig on. So yeah, this is it. I'm going to allow this one to stick in for a while, and then I'm going to, now I'm feeling the sensation, like the tingling. It's itchy, man. It makes me feel like I want to crunch my head. Now I'm feeling the sensation. So I'm going to leave this one on my hair for 2 to 3 hours. It all depends. I'm going to edit some videos, and then I'm going to take a shower, and then I'll come back and show you guys how my hair looks, how my hair feels, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for the love and support, TeamFullest. I really appreciate you all. So please stay tuned. Hi TeamFullest. So I promised you guys to come back and show you guys what my hair looked like after the hair mask. As you guys can see, my hair feels really soft. I'm just washing it. Excuse the noise in the background. We have construction going on in the street, so there's a lot of noise. So now that my hair is washed, it feels really soft. Now I want to moisturize my hair. I'm going to use my moisturizer that I mix. If you guys have not seen that video, I will link it for you guys right here. Go and check it out. So I'm using this moisturizer. I'm just going to use this to moisturize my hair, and I'm going to take this much. Oh, it's so much noise, but yeah, they are making the pipes underneath the ground, so they're like digging the pipe out and they are replacing it again with new ones. So yeah, I'm going to take more product because it's very cold outside, so I really want my hair to stay moisturized, because I'm also going to wear a wig. So I want my hair to really stay moisturized and looks really, really nice. I know right now the moisturizer looks kind of white on my head, but when it's settled down, it will dry. The whiteness will disappear. So now that I've done this, I'm going to be wearing a wig. So I'm going to be wearing the, how do you call the wig? The no lace wig at the front. So I'm going to try and do my baby hair very quickly. Yeah, excuse the kids in the background as well. I'm trying to get everybody ready to get out of the house. So the noise is just crazy. Ik ben bezig. Even wachten, is nog geen tijd. You guys can see, it's so crazy. So I did the baby hair. It's not as perfect. I'm going to take this cap. I'm not going to bring it all the way at the front because I don't want it to mess the baby hair. You know, like this. And now what I'm doing, I'm going to take this, I'm going to tie the baby hair, and I'm going to leave this one, and then I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and my hair. So guys, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on my next video. If you guys want to see pictures, follow me on my Instagram. Link will be in the description box. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. Peace out. Bye.